情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Welcome back to Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。这个月我们都在聊跟健康有关的一些事情啊，对不对？那比如说看医生有药，一定要按时吃药。Yeah, you have to take your medicine accordingly. Let's teach you some of these phrases, such as 药怎么说呢？yoge, that's medicine. 那如果要吃药呢？siiďjiedۡ, that means to take your medicine. 生病时要记得按时吃药。When you're sick, remember to take your medicine accordingly.
bodˋ piang 嘅時間，愛記得，找時間食藥嘅。
Okay, 藥 yoge 按時間，
找時間
that means according to your timetable, you should take your medicine. 那有的時候感冒了，不想要出去，幫我去藥房買感冒藥。Can you go to the pharmacist and get me some cold medicine?
lauˋ聽書去藥房。買很多嘅藥嘅。
All right, these are very useful phrases. Let's review them, including getting sick, 生病
bodˋ piang
and to take medicine, 吃藥
食藥嘅
and you get it from the pharmacy, 藥房 And there you have it. Stay healthy, everyone. That does it for today's Daily Hakka.
什麼大家？
按子 say 張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.